Racing just started well. Tagalista came out of the gate a little bit late. Himless break quickly at the start. Rushing up now at the outside is Soul Invictus. Jonas Recipe. Exotic flavor in between horses. Then comes the Garan Kid Kiss Me. And on the outside is Limbo Spet. Then followed her by Speed Spell. Dare to Dream. G's Queen. Then next online is Unica Champa. Happy Morning Racing second last, while Tagalista is there, the trailer by about 14 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Jonas Recipe by about 2 lengths. Exotic Flavor in second, 2 lengths further back in third comes Himless. Moving up now on the outside is Soul Invictus. Dare to Dream comes next. Kiss Me, Speed Spell, Happy Morning. Then next online is entry number 5, Unica Champ, G's Queen, Tagalista, Dagatan Kid, while entry number 13, Limbo Spet, now racing in 13th. And at the fourth turn, we have Jonas Recipe, Speed Spell, now moving up now on the outside to take the lead. We have Speed Spell, Exotic Flavor, moving up down on the inside is Dare to Dream. Rushing up now is Happy Morning, Soul Invictus, Jonas Recipe as they swing for room. Speed Spell by about 2 lengths. Dare to Dream is down on the inside. Happy Morning, and between horses now is Exotic Flavor, Soul Invictus. Last 75 meters is Speed Spell, this time by about 4 lengths. And finally is Speed Spell second, Dare to Dream, Unica Champ. Then comes number 9, Soul Invictus.
Diado yung ano, tercero?
Hindi, actually.